guys, we're back with One Armed Cook. That's right. Now I'm back. I got a chef hat because you know what? I'm a chef. I'm the best chef. Alright, but we're gonna start with we do burgers, hot dogs, and pizza. I want to do pizza. Pizza sounds cool, you know. Earn 125 buckaroos. Alright, let's grab this. Perfect. I need to order. You guys, ready to order? I am going to slap you in the head, man. Can you order? Order. I is going with mozzarella first. Mozzarella always goes first. You know why? Because mozzarella is the best in my opinion. Alright, grab the mozzarella. Where's my wooden thing? Yeah, perfect. I'll grab my plate. I'm just a professional cook. I'm just a professional cook, you know? Cook that. Alright, got it. Oh. Oh, did I get it? That works. I'm gonna serve you. Eat it. Oh, the food was great. Huh. Okay, put that there. Water. Yeah. Oh, next, he wanted a pizza prop. I can't say that word. Okay, pizza, mozzarella cheese, cooked. Okay. Not that hard. Fridge dough. Put it in the machine. Cause I feel like it. Grab the sauce. Put it. Grab the cheese. Grab the ham. Grab the wooden thing. Whoa, see how good I am, man. No one's better than me. At this point, I'm a professional cook. I'm better than Gordon Ramsay. You know? Right. Pizza's cooked. Put it on the plate. No! No, my thing. Come on. Wait, drop this. Grab the plate. I'm serving my customer's plate. But you have to stop doing this. Holy moly, man. Grab the plate. Put it here. Grab the wooden thing. Everything. The pizza. 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 Nije cozido. Come on. The one-armed cook. Grab the pizza. Good pizza here. Oh, grab the pizza. Put it in. Grab the pizza. Grab the pizza. Put it in. Grab the pizza. Put it in. Hold my. Grab the pizza. It went in it. It went in the bin. Yeah, guys. Sorry, guys. They already left. You guys ready to order? And I'm gonna smack you. Smack you. Woo. 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 Yeah, order. Order? Order. Yeah, smell it. Order. Because you're not ordering it, you get bad service. Okay, I got that. That's easy dubs, man. Easy. easy dubs. Like, oh my god, bro. Easy dubs. I'm actually gonna speedrun doing this. Grab the wooden thing. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Split my hand through that middle. Whee. Yeah, it's cooked. Put it in the middle. Put the pizza in. Perfect. Grab it. Yo, it was you that wanted it? Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Alright, anyway, look at that. I'm speedrunning. Clean the dishes. No, crap, my tomato. Okay, perfect. Put my plate here. No. Do I still have sauce? Yes, I do. Dough. Yeah, we need dough. Give me the dough. Give me the dough. Wee. No. Put it in. There we go. Got it. That's all of it, isn't it? Cheese. Like that. Boom. Bada boom. Bada boom. Grab this. I swear, if I just made this pizza for no reason, are you guys still here? I got 68 seconds. You know, do that. There you go. Perfect. Oh, that's a pizza, don't. My plate! That works. That works. That works. Grab it. Grab the plate. Get more money. Yeah, there you go. Eat. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, guys, let's do that. I'm too busy right now. Okay, guys, what would you like to order? Oh, two the same pizzas, besties. Damn. Order. I need to order food. I need to order pizza dough, sauce. I'll just order everything, to be honest. Money spent. Just wait, guys. Be patient. I'm gonna smack you in the face. Oh. Okay, order. Get the dough. My dough. Dough. Okay, we grab this. Go. Where's my? Go here. Grab this. Let me grab it. Yeah, grab that. Throw it there. Go here. Grab it. Throw it. I don't need no mozzarella. Go away. Imagine me having. I can make a pizza. Guys, you want to see a real pizza? Fine, I'll show you guys a real pizza, guys. Really, actually, really easy to make. I'll show you a real pizza. Okay, where's my little thing? This is gonna be a real pizza. Yeah. Cook that. Oh yeah, don't forget to add some more dough in there, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna just put that in there. Oh, crap. See, this is a real pizza. Oh yeah, we need a bunch of every topping. Yo, I made 26.799999p. Damn, good. Seriously. That is what you like to call art, really? Okay, anyway, guys, that's it of what I'm cooking. This game is very hard.